Hi, my name is Annalisa, and today I will be discussing the technology Classcraft and its value in the classroom. Classcraft is a modern approach to behavior change. It transforms the classroom into an exciting gaming adventure that targets rewarding positive behaviors in the classroom. After signing up for free as a teacher, you can create your classes and choose the level at which you are teaching. You can send out a code for your students to join or add them manually, and then the learning can begin. Classcraft provides instruction sheets and a heroes pack to respect the rules of the game throughout for your students to read and sign before starting. Students will then choose one of 3 heroes between a guardian, mage, and a healer, and customize their appearance as their game character. Students will be placed into teams that have at least one of each character and be able to customize their team name, crest, and background. All 3 heroes have different powers that can help their own character or other teammates heal or gain points. New powers can be bought with points accumulated over time. XP or experience points are rewarded for good behavior that happens in the classroom. XP will increase levels, which unlocks new powers to use in class. HP are health points that can be lost when negative behaviors in the classroom occur. When all health points that the student has for the day is lost, the character will fall in battle. Teachers can give the team the option to save them at the cost of their own points, or have the student complete a pledge as consequence. Positive behaviors and the amount of XP rewarded for the students can be customized to fit the expectations for your classroom. Quick rewards can also be given for one-time actions where a student may have gone above and beyond expectations and deserves the extra praise for it. Customizing negative behaviors lets educators target recurring issues they may notice in their classroom on a daily basis. When health points are taken away, the team is allowed a response in how they will handle it, allowing them to take the damage or deal with it later. This teaches accountability within the groups. If a student is having a particularly difficult day and all health points are lost, they must complete a pledge chosen from the teacher's list of consequences. This can include extra assignments that may allow for students to reflect on the negative behavior that occurred in class. After setup and customization is complete, Classcraft can then be used to implement lessons by creating interactive quests for the teams to work on in class. These quests will be made up of tasks for the students to complete that can include assignments, activities, and quizzes for the teams to work through, all while gaining XP for completing the tasks on the way. Classcraft also includes a discussion board that can be used as one or more of their tasks during their quests. At the end of these quests, teachers can choose to include a boss battle, which can be an assessment of how well they learned throughout their quests. Assessing student learning is an important part of the learning process according to Chapter 9 of our textbook. The Universal Design for Learning framework recommends providing multiple means of representation, engagement, action, and expression because any single assessment format can present barriers for some students. Classcraft provides teachers with the means to assess their students in multiple ways to gain a full understanding of whether they have learned the material of the curriculum or not. The textbook breaks down types of assessments into 3 sections. Forced choice assessments are standard multiple choice quizzes and tests. They are quick to administer and score, making them efficient for quick feedback of lessons. Quizzes can be administered through Google Forms on Classcraft. Open-ended responses call for a longer scoring time for teachers, as students' answers are more original and complex. This allows for the students to demonstrate a higher level of cognitive skill. Open-ended responses can be assigned on a quest in Classcraft. Authentic assessments demonstrate skill in real-world performances. A good example of this is having an experiment done in a science class. Authentic assessment allows for students to interact with the world, providing them with second chances and unstructured problems for them to solve throughout. Offline activities can be assigned as a Classcraft task to assess your students' deeper understanding of the material taught. Thanks for listening.